Utopia Cord e-bike. This sleek, lightweight urban commuter is designed to deliver both style and performance. Weighing just 46 pounds, it boasts a 661 aluminum alloy frame crafted with liquid forging technology, ensuring both durability and a high-end feel. The bike is powered by a 350W hub motor, providing smooth acceleration and a top-assisted speed of 20 miles per hour. Its 352.30 speed Shimano Acera drivetrain offers versatile gearing for different riding conditions. Additional highlights include integrated front and rear lights, a 4A charger for fast recharging, and smart connectivity features like voice control, fingerprint start, and a built-in navigation system. Priced at $1,200, the Utopia Cord blends cutting-edge technology with a lightweight frame, making it an excellent option for urban commuters who value efficiency and style. Electropano Go, a versatile Class 3 e-bike priced at around $2,500. It offers both a thumb throttle for speeds up to 20 miles per hour and pedal assist reaching 26 miles per hour, making urban commuting and adventure seamless. Powered by a 750W rear hub motor and a 650W removable, lockable battery, it provides a range of up to 60 miles per charge. Built with a sturdy 661 T6 aluminum frame and equipped with 20x4-inch heavy-duty tires, it ensures stable handling and a smooth ride. Tektro hydraulic disc brakes deliver reliable stopping power, while integrated front and rear lights with turn signals greatly enhance safety. Designed for two riders, it features a bench-style saddle, passenger handles, and foot pegs, supporting a maximum load of 360 pounds. Segway Safari. This electric bike redefines adventure at an outstanding price of $2,400. Equipped with a 750W motor that delivers 175 Nm of torque, it reaches a top speed of 20 miles per hour and offers a range of up to 88 miles on a 936W48V battery, which takes approximately 5.3 hours to fully charge. The bike is designed with adjustable front and rear suspension, featuring 80mm and 70mm of travel, combined with durable 26x3.0-inch Kenda tires for a smooth ride across various terrains. Reliable stopping power comes from Tektro hydraulic disc brakes with 180mm rotors, while powerful 1,300 lumen headlight and smart features like AirLock keyless entry, Apple Find My GPS, and IoT integration add to its convenience. Weighing 92.5 pounds and supporting up to 352 pounds, it's perfect for both commuting and off-road exploration, offering a highly versatile riding experience. Manta 5 Hydrofoiler SL3. The Manta 5 Hydrofoil SL3 bike delivers a groundbreaking water cycling experience, merging cutting-edge design with outstanding performance. Built with an Orca white composite chassis, it features a lightweight Hydropack 600 battery that provides up to 3 hours of ride time, along with Larner fixed cord 2-rear foil setup for superior agility on water. Its powerful 500W motor enables riders to reach a top speed of 20 kilometers per hour, 12 miles per hour, a cruising speed of 11 kilometers per hour, 7 miles per hour, and a minimum speed of 6 kilometers per hour, from miles per hour. Additional highlights include patented easy launch technology, Bluetooth ride control, tilt sensors, and modular quick connect components for easy transportation. With a sale price of $7,988, it offers exceptional value for thrilling water adventures. Revo Hubless e-bike. The Hubless e-bike is a futuristic machine that redefines limits with advanced technology and a daring design. Equipped with a 750W motor, US version, and a 48-volt battery that fully charges in just 3 hours, it delivers around 500 Wh of power, allowing for an estimated range of 37 miles. Its distinctive hubless, spokeless wheels incorporate 800 lumen LED lights along with an ambient light sensor that automatically switches them on in low light settings. Security is exceptional, featuring a biometric fingerprint sensor, GPS tracking, and anti-theft protection. While its single-speed setup and increased rolling resistance from multiple bearings add some challenges, its remarkable engineering justifies its pre-order price of $2,278, which later increases to approximately $3,450, making it an impressive statement in urban style.